Um, Today, let me explain the 10 important SQL commands for data analysis. So, for any beginner, if you want to choose a platform for data, being a business data analyst or any requirement in business analyst, or you have to work on the database, these commands are really necessary, and if you know these commands, I bet you will definitely win win at your work. So coming to those commands: select and from. Select defines the columns to extract, while from specifies the source or the tables. So the example would be select star from students. So the select is like selecting the table, and students is the table name. So from will specify the source table. That's There you go. So the other one is distinct. It extracts the unique values in a column. So if you want, suppose I have an example here, is like select distinct country from customers. So they want the distinct countries. I mean, the different distance is like the unique value. So there will be many customers from many countries. So they want the unique values. Like want that is the syntax mean. So where the where clause is used to filter the records. It is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. So first we need to use select star from customers where country is equal to Mexico. So we will get all the customers from Mexico City. That's the syntax. And modulus wildcard. The modulus wildcard represents any number of characters, even zero characters. So if we use that, you will get entire records. Like see, for example, select star from customers table where customer name like modulus es. So the customers whose name ends with es will come in your table if you select that. So order by. The order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or the descending order. This feature is vital for streamlined data analysis, offering a clear view of transaction patterns. So the ordering by is like the order by. So usually we use it in sales, and to get some data. So this is from the product table. See the example: select star from products, order by price. So the price will vary, right? The lowest to highest, it might be highest to lowest. It depends on your query. So as is an alias function. So a SQL aliases are used to give a table or a column in a table a temporary name. Like you can call me Ravs. That's my alias name. So that's how it is. Aliases are often used to make column names more readable. An alias only exists for a duration that query. Aliases are often used to make column names more readable. Like an aliases only exists for the duration of that query. An alias is created with the as keyword. So that's the reason as is very popular. So for the example, select customer ID as ID from customers table. You can name, obviously it is the customers table, right? So that's it. Case when, else, and then. This constraint offers a flexible way to make data driven decisions within SQL queries, enabling users to handle diverse scenarios based on specific conditions. An example: select order ID quantity. Case when quantity is greater than 30, then the quantity is greater than 30. When quantity is equal to 30, then the quantity is 30. Else the quantity is equal to 30, then quantity is 30. Else the quantity is under 30. And as quantity text from order details. This entire thing is from the order details table. That's where we use that. And group by and aggregate functions. These are really important, and it helps you a lot. So the group by statement groups rows that have the same values into summary rows, like find the number of customers in each country. It's kind of that. The group by statement is often used with the aggregate functions like count function, max, minimum, sum, average to group the result set by one or more columns. So there is the example select count of customer ID country from customers table group by country. So we are getting customer ID and the country from the customers table, and also we are grouping customers with customer ID as the unique key. And the one is join. A join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. So see here we have a orders table. Select orders dot orders ID, customers dot customer name, orders dot order date. From customers, we are inner joining customers table on the basis of orders dot customer ID is equal to customers dot customer ID, because the customer ID and the order ID are the unique keys. We are linking it with that. So that's the join. And union. The union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statements. Every select statement with union must have the same number of columns. The column must also have similar data types. The columns in every select statement must also be in the same order. See, for example, select city from customers, union, select city from suppliers, order by city. So the city will be the common. So that's how we are combining, because that's how a union operator does. So these are the commands, people. If you can use this, the interview would be very good. I mean, all the best for all the SQL developers who are going to succeed in their lives. And I especially admire SQL database a lot, because of my professor while I was pursuing masters, and that's how I became a backend developer than a front end developer. Thank you.